Marhaba ya jama'a. Today I have a video for you on directions in Levantine Arabic. We'll learn vocab like left and right, north and south, and so on. We're also going to explore some helpful sentences for asking for and giving directions. You can get the corresponding vocab sheet with the Arabic text, English translation, and transliteration on the Shami speaker store. Let's jump right in. Let's first explore some vocab related to directions. Starting off with right. Yameen. Yameen. Left. Shmal. Shmal. Up. Fouq. Fouq. Notice how we're changing that qaf sound into a hamza or glottal stop, which is common in many urban Levantine dialects. Fouq. Down. Taht. Taht. Now let's talk about the 4 cardinal directions. These are the directions that you can find on your compass. They're north, south, east, and west. Let's first start off with north. Shamal. Shamal. Notice how this is spelled very similarly to the word for left, which is shmal. The only difference is the diacritic on the letter sheen. For the word left, the sheen has a sukoon on top of it. For the word north, the sheen has a fatha on top of it. So left is shmal, north, shamal. Alright, so once again, north is shamal. South is janoob. Janoob. East is sharq. If we drop that qaf sound, it's sharq. Sharq. West. Gharb. Gharb. Okay, now I'm going to repeat them all. North, south, east, west. Shamal, janoob, sharq, gharb. Now you can also combine these directions to make things like northeast, southwest. So let's look at the example northeast, which is shamal, sharq. Shamal, sharq. So first you put north or south and then you follow it by east or west. Let's look at the example of southwest. Janoob, gharb. Janoob, gharb. Awesome. Now let's move on to some more vocab. In front of. قدام. قدام. Behind. ورا. ورا. Next to. جنب. جنب. Opposite to. مقابل. مقابل. Between. بين. بين. Straight ahead. عطول. عطول. Close. قريب. قريب. Far. بعيد. بعيد. Alright, now we're going to move on to verbs that are related to directions. So if you want to put these into sentences and combine it with vocab, it'll be easier for you to do so. I'm going to give you the verbs in the imperative form, the masculine singular, and the feminine singular. Let's start off with go. The masculine singular form is ruh. Ruh. The feminine is ruhi. Ruhi. Walk. The masculine form is imshi. Imshi. The feminine form is imshi. Imshi. So they're actually the same for masculine and feminine for the verb imshi. Turn. The masculine form is lif. Lif. Feminine form, liffi. Liffi. Stop. The masculine form is wa'if. وقف. Feminine. وقفي. وقفي. Cross. The masculine form is اقطع. اقطع. Feminine. اقطعي. اقطعي. Enter. Masculine form. فوت. فوت. Feminine. فوتي. فوتي. Go up or exit. Masculine form. اطلع. اطلع. The feminine form is اطلعي. اطلعي. Go down. Masculine form. انزل. انزل. The feminine form is انزلي. انزلي. Now we're going to move on to sentences. Here are some example sentences for asking for directions. Do you know where the library is? The first version I'm going to tell you is going to be addressed to a male. بتعرف وين المكتبة? بتعرف means do you know? وين means where? And المكتبة means the library. بتعرف وين المكتبة? If you want to address this to a female, you're going to change the conjugation of that first verb. Instead of بتعرف, you're going to say بتعرفي. So we're going to add a yeah to the end. So if you want to address this to a female, you would say بتعرفي وين المكتبة? بتعرفي وين المكتبة? How do I get to the mosque? كيف بروح على المسجد؟ كيف بروح على المسجد؟ كيف means how. بروح means I go or I get to. على المسجد means to the mosque. كيف بروح على المسجد? How far is the store from here? قديش بعيد المحل من هون؟ قديش means how much. In this context, it's standing for how. بعيد means far. المحل means the store. من means from. And هون means here. قديش بعيد المحل من هون؟ Where can I find the closest restaurant? وين بقدر لاقي أقرب مطعم؟ When means where, بقدر means can I, لاقي means find, أقرب means closest, and مطعم means restaurant. When بقدر لاقي أقرب مطعم? I'm looking for the pharmacy. عم بدور عالصيدلية. عم means I am. بدور means looking for. عالصيدلية means the pharmacy. عم بدور عالصيدلية. What direction is the school? And this usually is referring to what cardinal direction the school is in. شو اتجاه المدرسة? شو means what, اتجاه means direction, and المدرسة means the school. شو اتجاه المدرسة? Now let's move on to example phrases for giving directions. To say go right, to a male you would say خد يمين, where خد means take. So خد يمين means take a right or go right. To a female you would say خدي يمين. خدي يمين. Take a left or go left. To a male you would say خد شمال, where again خد means take and شمال means left. خد شمال. To a female you would say خدي شمال. خدي شمال. Turn right at the traffic light. To a male you would say لف يمين عند الإشارة. لف means turn, يمين means right, عند means at, and الإشارة means the traffic light. لف يمين عند الإشارة. Now to change this to address it to a female, you're just going to change the conjugation of the verb. So it's going to be لفي instead of لف. لفي يمين عند الإشارة. لفي يمين عند الإشارة. Walk straight ahead. To a male you would say امشي عطول. So these are both actually going to be the same for addressing a male or female because the form of the imperative verb for walk is the same for the masculine and feminine version. So walk straight ahead is امشي عطول. امشي means walk and عطول means straight or straight ahead. امشي عطول. The bank is near the pharmacy. البنك جنب الصيدلية. البنك means the bank and جنب means near or next to. الصيدلية means the pharmacy. البنك جنب الصيدلية. Cross the street. To a male you would say اقطع الشارع. اقطع الشارع. To a female you would say اقطعي الشارع. اقطعي الشارع. Keep walking until you arrive at the bridge. To a male you would say خليك ماشي لحتى توصل عالجسر. خليك means keep, ماشي means walk, لحتى means until, توصل means you arrive, عالجسر means at the bridge. خليك ماشي لحتى توصل عالجسر. To address this to a female, we're going to change the conjugations and forms of some of the words. So it's going to be خليكي ماشية لحتى توصلي عالجسر. خليكي ماشية لحتى توصلي عالجسر. Lebanon is north of Palestine. لبنان شمال فلسطين. Lebanon means Lebanon. شمال means north. Palestine means Palestine. لبنان شمال فلسطين. Lebanon is southwest of Syria. لبنان جنوب غرب سوريا. لبنان means Lebanon. جنوب غرب means southwest. Syria means Syria. لبنان جنوب غرب سوريا. And that is it. That's all the vocab and example phrases we're going to learn today. Don't forget to get the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store and stay tuned for more videos in the future. مع السلامة.